If you're a homeschooling parent or a teacher, listen up because this software changes the game. Question: what do students have open on their computers during class time? Yeah, either social media or games or both. Watch this app that we customized for a private school named Woodside. As the parent or teacher, I just key in the website links that are allowed for the given session. In this example, I have chosen the Tools for Teens website. Side note, Tools for Teens is great because it includes cognitive as well as AI skills that prepare students for the tsunami of change that is rapidly approaching. Okay, back to the demo. The student just keys in their ID and selects their class. In this example, the ID number 2 is linked to the student named Gonzalo Cruz, who is in the Senior 1 Blue class. Now you can see because Gonzalo is not on the allowed website, he has been flagged as distracted. But as soon as he engages with the correct content, the status changes to focused. So let's say Gonzalo quickly wants to check his WhatsApp. Well, not only does he get flagged as distracted, but the parent or teacher gets a bunch of info sent their way immediately. Here we can see, for example, that the second distraction was WhatsApp. And at the end of the session, we can see the total number of distractions as well as a ton of other data. But this does not have to lead to blind punishment, but rather useful conversations with Gonzalo, asking him, hey, Gonzalo, what's going on? How can we help you stay on track? If you're a homeschooling parent, we can set this up for you for under 1,000 Rand. If you're a school, just send us an email and we'll customize the app according to your teacher's needs. The neuroscience is clear. This is a massive problem. We have to take responsibility. We have to help our children's brains develop normally and increase their capacity to pay attention. Invest in your children and students. Click the link below.